Eisenhower, he was the third president, he said, it's easy being a farmer when your plough is a pencil and you're 1,000 miles from the cornfield. Yeah, that was Eisenhower. But anyway, just thought to draw your attention to this beast of a silage trailer we have sitting behind us here. Silage trailers have never been one of the massive ranges of products that we've done. We've always done silage trailers, but in lower volumes. But this year particularly has been exceptional for us for our silage trailers. They're very, very well received in the market, and everybody is liking them, the way they're towing, the way they're operating, the finish on them. As Steve Thompson would talk about the curb appeal of the silage trailer. So we just thought we'd give you a wee quick walk around this one behind us. So a very similar spec trailer to the trailer that went to White's that Armstrong Machinery supplied. 24/60/24, so it's 24-foot body, 6-foot side on your grain side, and then 24-ton capacity. So this is a tri-axle version. It also has dual hydraulic brakes, load sensing, front mudguards on it, rear mudguards, the silage sides, and the bolt-on tow and high. The cable breakaway system, the park brake. Toolbox on the side for storing bits and pieces again. So again, as I said on the drawbar, this one's got your Sharmuller bolt-on towing hitch, so you can change that out. You can put your spoon on there, your swivel, whatever you want. So it's a very versatile trailer for dealers to stock this type of trailer that can change the hitch out to suit the tractor. Again, on a lot of our trailers, you would see the springs mounted at the front, where we have a pivot here, and our springs are mounted in at the back onto the body, just to give that bit more stability over the length of the trailer. As we walk back down across the trailer here, you can see the mud flaps on the front, the underbody protection, the prop bar for when you're working under the body, tip the body up, you put your prop stand in, you don't have to reach in over the body to get at the prop stand. Again, 560/60, 22.5 Alliance wheels on this trailer. Again, it said the 80R Technox axles, the 420 by 180, 127 beam. So as you start off with this trailer, it would be, if it's the 24/60/24, it'll be the grain trailer. Standard, it'll be on the 445 wheels. Everybody likes the chunkier wheels. So option one, up your wheels, 560, 600, 650 is what it is. The standard trailer has 3 fixed axles. Rear steer is the option. You're moving on from your rear steer, you can go to your forced rear steer, or you can go to forced front and rear steer. We started with, it was like a 2450, which is the 5-foot side, but people want that higher side now on all the trailers. So we do a 2450 and we do a 2460. Just means the base grain trailer has a 6-foot high side, and then it has your shorter sided sides on top of it. But people like that higher body. So there's the 2 styles. Last year it was more the 50s. This year there's a lot more of the 60s coming through. Coming around to the rear of the trailer here, you can see mud flaps on the rear of the axles. We've got the full length mud flap across the back of the trailer here as well. There's some of the styling things that was very popular on the older ranges of trailer was the dual lights. So we have our lights on the bottom of the trailer, and we have our secondary set of lights on the top of the trailer. People love that. Long vehicle signs, lots of reflective tape to make it stand out. Everybody likes shiny, bright, shiny toys. You're going down the road at night, LED rear flashers on the back, so loads of lights. Other options are work lights for when you're reversing and you tip up. Work lights will come on so you can see where you're going. This one has the rear chute on it here for tipping out your grains, your barleys, etc. 40, 50k, the decals for the speeds on it, depending on the axles, the load, the air brakes, the load sensing. The option on the back of this is the pusher bar for when the guys are at the maze for pushing out. There's also the option of the rear hitch on the back for folding down, for hooking trailers on, for transporting, 1 or 2 trailers at a time. You can also have your lights coming to the rear, your brakes coming to the rear. You can see a dump valve there, sitting on the back here as it is. Options on trailers, they're very much down to the guys, that are using them. This trailer, one of the big options is the colour. So this is your standard, we call NC Blue with the grey chassis. We have trailers that have come through and they've been grey on grey, which is very popular. With trailers come through, they've been the grey with the fent green. We've a trailer on the line at the minute, and it's going grey with a red body, grey sides. It'll be a nice trailer. It has weigh cells on it for weighing the load, and it also has hydraulically operated rollover cover as well. That's another one that's coming through, but they're just coming through thick and fast. The range ranges from 14 tonne up to 24 tonne, from 18-foot body, So you have 18 foot long, 20 foot, 22, 24, and then a 26 foot version as well. If you want any more information, get in contact with your local dealers. Some dealers have stock. So stay tuned with a few more grain trailer related projects coming through that I think you'll all be very interested in.